Who's that there? It's a little distorted. It's like the House of Mirrors. All right, here we are for another little rest stop. Want to tell people what we just discovered here?
So this is the self-serve frozen yogurt things. You know, usually you go to like an ice cream shop with the self-serve, and you got all the handles, you know, like you fill your own cups. You can put as much as you want. You put your sprinkles and toppings as much as you want, but I never saw one at a truck stop before.
That's amazing.
They only got the 6 and 8 ounce cups.
Child's play for you.
Not big enough at all.
So you don't, they don't weigh it? Oh yeah, this, no, you pay by the cup?
Price? Yeah.
Wow, that's a really good price actually.
So
too.
you got to see how high you can stack it.
I think you're
It's
probably
a
pretty
skill.
good at that.
It's a skill.
Yeah, and then here they got toppings.
Yeah, little sprinkles and squirt sauces.
Wow.
And a spoon.
Wow. Too bad it's like 8 in the morning.
It's never too early for frozen yogurt, honey. It's yogurt.
It's true. Breakfast
food.
Breakfast of champions. That's a nice place. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ask for a load.
Okay, let's go ask for a load. Yeah, so it's called Sefco. Really nice inside. And whoops. Let me show you this side here. So trucks over here. Right? And then also for cars. Yeah, it's pretty nice. She said it is a chain. I don't know how many locations, or maybe it's just in Texas. If you know about it, please put it in the comments, because that was pretty nice inside. Kevin's doing a little housekeeping. Are you sweeping out the house?
Yeah, we seem to have picked up a lot of grass.
Grass?
Yeah. Hey. Look at the dust.
You want to tell people about your shirt, honey? Brothers of the Highway.
Brotherhood of the Highway, isn't that what it is?
On the back it says Brothers of the Highway.
Yeah.
And www Brothers of the Highway, singular or plural, highway.com. Rise of the Brotherhood, yep, supporter. Want to tell us about it?
We were at the Mid-America Truck Show back in March, and these fellas had a booth and they were selling t-shirts, and I asked them what it was about. They're just a group of drivers that stay connected. If they're gonna show up at a truck stop and there's another guy in the Brotherhood, they get together, you know. But they do some nice stuff too, like they'll go around and clean up the garbage at a truck stop or a rest area that truckers have left on the ground, you know. So they'll pick up trash and litter. I thought that was a real nice thing. And so I bought the t-shirt just to support their organization. I'm not a member or anything, but I thought it was a good thing.
Yeah. So people can check it out online.
Check it out.
Brothers of the Highway, I think
Yep.
I just said, right? Yeah, pretty cool. Nice shirt too.
It's a good shirt.
Looks good on you, honey.
Thank you.
Okay. Am I gonna make food?
Yeah.
No. I'm afraid of getting it all over myself. A little traumatized. The lady in there said it is a chain, but she does. I don't know how big of a chain. We'll have to look it up. Pretty nice.
Yeah, I've seen them around.
Just in Texas or other places?
Other places too. Yeah.
Cypress Bayou. Okay, we're definitely in the south with all these bayous. Sefco right there. Wow.
Pretty nice inside, eh?
Yeah, it's very nice inside. Molten sulfur.
Wow.
Are we in Marshall now?
Yeah.
Marshall, Texas. All right, I looked up some information about Sefco and found out that it was founded in 1952 by Clarence Edison Fikes in Cameron, Texas. In the meantime, it has grown to almost 200 locations, 148 of them in Texas, and then another 50 in Alabama, Florida, Mississippi. And what's really interesting, it was just bought out by Casey's General Stores. So now we all know a little more about Sefco. I sure hope that Casey's decides to keep the frozen yogurt, because Kevin was pretty happy to encounter that. All right, and by the way, if you're enjoying our video so far, please do give it a thumbs up, and of course put some comments down below. What do you think of Sefco? What do you think of Casey's? And what do you think of frozen yogurt? And also, if you decide to drive for Crete and our videos have been helpful for you, please be so kind and use our referral code SLOKEV, SLOKEV. We'd be very, very grateful. All right, on with the video. God, look at all the signs. Oh my gosh.
America the Beautiful.
America. Land of the signs. Fish shack. Trucking school over there. Didn't get my video on time. But right here in Marshall. Nice. Texas State Technical College. Maybe it's part of that. Right in front of us?
No, the guy that passed this way.
Oh, put out two smoke clouds.
That's better, yeah.
Lovely. Hardee's is getting a lot of business from the construction crew there, the highway crew. Nacogdoches.
Oh, this is.
How do you say it?
Nacogdoches is 25 miles from here.
Ah. Is there a roof? Is there a roof?
Yeah.
Turn left on Railroad Avenue, then take the first left.
Making her nervous.
Yeah. Sorry, horse. Sorry, sweetie. Sorry, sweetie pie. He asked me if I was hungry. I said yes, and then look at this, he filled it up, and it was so sweet. He's from Honduras, and I actually lived in Honduras 3.5 years, so we spoke, well, my Spanish isn't so great anymore, but we spoke Spanish and talked about Honduras, and that was really sweet. I got the pastor, which is the pork, the rice, the beans, and 3 of these beautiful corn tortillas. They're thick and hot, hot, hot. $12.99 plus tax. And so excited, it's real food.
One lane traffic. That's why we're all lined up here. Doesn't seem to be happening.
We've just come through DEZL, we don't know how to say it. DIBOLL. Oh, UPS is over there.
Yeah, there's the left lane closed right ahead of you there, UPS.
Ah. Wow, water's really
Somebody's
high.
driveway there.
Yeah. My goodness. Hey, if you're still watching the video at this point, we just want to say how grateful we are that you are a true Joy of Trucking fan. We really appreciate that. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up because that helps the algorithm. And of course, if you haven't done so yet, put a comment, put a question, let us know what you thought of today's ride and the different food things we encountered. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and be sure to join us in the next video. It's going to be short, but very powerful. All right, thanks for riding with us. Have a great day. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.